Hello students, the heading of this title shows what I am going to teach in this video lesson. How to distinguish between words. I am Vikas sir, and in this lesson I will discuss with you 10 different patterns, sets of words that will certainly strengthen your vocabulary. The best way to learn a word is not to go through the dictionary, but you have to choose words in pairs so that you can remember both of them. I have tried to collect some words with their synonyms, with their antonyms, with their parts of speech, and how to use them in a sentence. All these 4 sections have been dealt with in this video lesson. I think it will help you in strengthening your vocabulary. And vocabulary is very important, not only in writing but also in speech. So, we start with set 1. The first word is adapt. It is a verb generally followed by to. It means fit in, adjust, acclimatize, habituate, get used to. Examples: he adapted to the harsh conditions. Harsh means unfavorable conditions, and he adapted to the conditions. It is a verb, so you can use its past form. Second word is adapt. It is an adjective followed generally by in, and after that any field of activity, any subject. It means skilled or skillful, expert, masterly, accomplished or proficient. Its antonym is inept. Look at the example. He is adept in archery. Bow and arrow. Game of bow and arrow is archery. You know. Now, the third word, adopt. It is also a verb. It means choose, select, opt for or take up. Opposite meaning or antonym is abandon and leave. Examples: they adopted local habits of speech. There are many habits, some local habits, some foreign habits. They adopted local habits. Okay. This is the end of the set 1. Now we go to the set 2. Affect. It is the verb form. It means harm, influence, act on, modify. Example: the pandemic of coronavirus affected the studies. Effect. There is a slight difference in pronunciation and there is difference in meaning. Means result, consequence, outcome. Opposite or antonym, reason or cause. Example: the effect of this pandemic is far-reaching. Third one, effect can be used as a verb to when it means cause, bring about, create. Now look at the difference between effect as a noun and effect as a verb. There is huge difference. Example: the pandemic effected a change in our lifestyle. This is set 2. Now we go to set 3. Allusion is noun followed by to generally. Means reference, mention or suggestion. Example: this poem has an allusion to Shakespeare. In this poem we get the name of Shakespeare. So this poem has an allusion to, a reference to Shakespeare. Illusion. This is also noun but different in meaning. Delusion, misconception, fantasy, false conception. The result shattered his illusions. Illusory, adjective from illusion, is illusory, but something different in meaning. Imaginary, delusive, unreal, which cannot be touched, that is illusory. Opposite or antonym, real or genuine. Example, the hope that he gives is illusory, imaginative, delusive, unreal. Now set 4. Abandoned. Adjective means deserted, forsaken, uninhabited, unoccupied. This is the home for abandoned children, abandoned by their parents. There are some unlucky children. Be abundant. Adjective means plentiful, profuse, huge in number. Opposite meaning or antonym, scant, sparse, scarce. Example, there is an abundant supply of food grains. Now set 5. Ludicrous is adjective, means absurd, ridiculous, preposterous, laughable. Example, his proposal seemed ludicrous to me. Lugubrious, actually lugubrious. Sad, doleful, mournful, melancholy, serious. It means opposite, cheerful, jovial, joyful. Example, his lugubrious face lit up suddenly. Enjoy, of course. Now set 6. First one, cacophony is a noun, means din, noise, discordant sound. When many people are shouting together, it becomes discordant, and we call it cacophony. Example, the cacophony of horns is very disturbing to roadside people, those who live by roadside. And cacography, bad handwriting or bad spelling. Example, the cacography of this letter, a letter written, but there is cacography in this letter, makes it difficult to understand. So 2 new words. Now set 7. Deciduous. First word is deciduous of set 7. This is an adjective applied to trees or forests that lose leaves every year. Opposite, evergreen. Example, oak is an example of deciduous tree. Another word, coniferous. It is also applied to trees that produce hard and dry fruits. Examples, pine and fir. They are coniferous trees. Example, coniferous trees produce hard, dry fruits called cones. So they are called coniferous. As they produce cones, hard, dry fruits, so they are called coniferous. Now we move on to set 8. Explicit. This is an adjective meaning detailed, clear, exhaustive, straightforward, candid. Opposite, vague or ambiguous, not clear. Example, he was given an explicit order to leave his room. And exquisite, it is also an adjective meaning beautiful, elegant, fine, lovely, magnificent. Opposite, ugly, unpleasant. Example, this is a piece of exquisite historic monument. So, this is set 8. We move on to set 9. 2 relatively known words are here. First, historic. It is an adjective. Historic means famous in history or very important in history. is called historic. Example, Hajardwari, you know the name of Hajardwari, situated in Murshidabad, is a historic building. And historical, that is related to history, that we find in history, that has some history, is called historical. May not be important, may be important or may not be important, that is historical. Example, Hajardwari has a historical importance. So, this set distinguishes between two adjectives. Historical is also an adjective, historic is also adjective. But the uses of those two words are different. You must remember the difference. One is famous, another is related to history. Now, set 10 and the final set of this video lesson, elicit, E-L-I-C-I-T verb, generally followed by from preposition, meaning draw out, extract, induce, bring forth. Example, I try to elicit truth from him. To bring forth truth from him. Illicit, adjective, it means illegal, unlawful, illegitimate, forbidden or unacceptable. Opposite, of course, lawful, legal or legitimate. Example, he is accused of illicit dealings. He has some unlawful dealings. So he has been accused by the police. This much for today's vocabulary building. I hope it will help you to improve your vocabulary. You must use them in your writing to remember those words and their synonyms so that you can have a great number of words at your disposal while writing something. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can bring you many more videos with many more English lessons. Thank you very much for watching this video.